Alright, so we're going to be taking out the bolts in the flywheel right here that connects it to the torque converter. So there are a few bolts here. Spin the flywheel, get another bolt, spin the flywheel, get another bolt, and it's done. So here we go. Have the shop crane all set up. It's bolted on, and I'm gonna get ready to take it out. Alright, there it is on the ground. Pulled it out. That's what it looks like now. Transmission 700 R4. So now I'm gonna clean up all this stuff, put some new wires on, spray paint all this stuff, and get it ready for the new block. See you then. Alright, so I'm getting ready to take off front end here. It's raining. I've already pulled off pretty much everything. You see there, I'm just getting ready to yank it out here right now. I got the fender loosened a little bit, took off everything, and if you see right here, there is the front, the Blazer. Alright, you can see, took off the front panel, pretty much just lowered it about maybe a foot. So it should help with the engine in there. Everything else is ready. It's all spray painted, pretty clean. Just gonna get that engine in a few days and put it in. Alright, here's all my auto parts. My new ones have a new water pump, timing cover, valve covers, oil filter. I got some tailgate straps. My tailgate was, well, one of the straps broke. I got new electrical parts, some bushings for that hole there, antifreeze. I have a fan clutch, new radiator hoses, and the hose clamps. I have a few other things, but this is the majority of the new stuff, and I look forward to putting it on. I'm going to buy the engine today.